we're not racing this weekend, so we're going to give you a little bit of a glimpse into what we're doing when we're not racing and what I do with the majority of my time throughout the week is running, owning, operating a machine shop. And my dad here started a machine shop in the mid-'80s. And why did you start a machine shop?
Because I needed something to do that I enjoyed doing, and I didn't like the job I had before, which is, you know, pretty typical of most jobs.
So you didn't like working for a boss?
Yeah, pretty much.
Gotcha. But
I'm still working for a boss.
well, yeah, I took over reins at the beginning of this year, but I worked for him. He was a good boss. I couldn't ask for a better boss. And but now, how is it working for me as your boss? Because he works part-time for me still.
Oh, I still like it. I come and go as I please. If I want to go uptown and get a coffee, I go uptown and get a coffee. Boss is good.
It's good when you don't have very many employees, so it's pretty stress-free around here. It's a laid-back atmosphere, but we strive to take care of our customers, so it's enjoyable. We enjoy what we do.
Customers first.
Always. The customer's happy, everybody's happy. So, yeah, we're going to show you a little bit of what we do in here. Not much, but we'll give you a little glimpse. All you need to do to be a mold maker is know how to run a vacuum cleaner. And it's easy. All we had to do is a little bit of modification to this mold. And we just got to deburr it and to be ready to send on down the road. Working a machine shop and doing a tool and die making trade or welding or fabricating or anything like that, you're building stuff, so it's pretty fulfilling work. And so if you're thinking about going into a field like this, if you're in high school or you're a student or something, don't forget to go into a trade or something like that. College is good. I went to a community college, a technical college to learn this and get started. So nothing against college, but if you're feeling like you don't want to go away for 4 years to get a degree, definitely this is some fulfilling work and I really enjoy it.
Hey, Dad!
Hi, Lily. We live close by the machine shop, so I walk to work. So it's one of the perks of having your own business and being close to home. You get to spend it with family. You want to work in a machine shop?
Yes.
You guess?
Yes.
You like some of the cool stuff we make here?
Yeah. Lucy's whining.
You know we're videoing, Lily.
Hey!
We're having a fur up in there. We're cooking on the fire. We should have one of my brother's little cooker top things for this video. That would have been smart. Go ahead and I I don't normally eat hot dogs, but my wife bought natural ones. They're not as bad for you, like a regular hot dog that he's eating. Now we're gonna go up in an airplane here soon. My uncle has a little Kit Fox airplane. We're gonna take you for a ride up there, show you some airplane footage from Missler Airport. Welcome to Missler Airport. Missler Airport. We're getting ready to go up and fly in my Uncle Jim's Kit Fox airplane and meet Uncle Jim Missler.
Hi, gang.
Now, how long have you been flying for?
About 52 years.
52 years, and how many airplanes have you owned?
Let's see, Piper Colt, Mall, Lake Amphibian, Kit Fox.
Kit Fox.
That's the fourth one.
So this is a Kit Fox, and you built this. You finished it.
I finished building it.
It's a home built.
Had the Federal Aviation Agency come in and inspect it, be sure it was safe to fly, which it was. Been flying it now for about 150 hours, and runs real good. It's got a Jabiru engine in it, about 80 horse.
Can we do some flips?
Not in that. My Mall I used to, but I don't trust this one.
I don't want to flip because I'll throw up.
It's not designed for it. Put
Cool.
it that way.
All right. Well, we're going to go up and get some footage from up in the sky.
That was one thing I couldn't get my leg down.
Whatever works. Any place special you wanted to go? Nope.
Did you go by Attica?
No. We went over to Salt Lake.
I hope so.
This is a sinkhole. Yeah. I like the point. overlooking a little old town called Bellevue. No roof on it. There's the house right down there. There's the machine shop. We're making an approach to land.
I don't like flying this time of night. Look it into the sun.
Oh.
Girls want a taxi up and down. I heard him say something about that.
Yeah, maybe.
I won't. I'll stop up here then.
Okay.
Go for a little taxi.
Ready to fire it up?
Just like, they're just taxiing back to the
We
hangar.
flew over Bellevue. Showed them a little bit of little old Bellevue. We flew over our house. That's about it.
You know,
Oliver's butt was hurting my knees.
Oliver's butt hurt your knee. How was the
Yes.
ride, though?
What do you think I felt?
Good?
Good.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Was it a thumbs up?
No.
No?
You weren't.
Was it fun?
You're fun.
Fun. Was it? How was it for you?
If I would have been there alone, it would be way better.
Was it fun though?
No.
Next time, do you want to go up?
Yeah.
That's how Uncle Jim gets around the farm.